slide or what?
All right, we're going to teach Aita how to make popcorn.
First,
simple
teach
method.
me how to open this.
Okay, so feel along the top, and you should feel a little hole. You see a little hole?
Oh, yeah. You made it? Okay.
Okay, don't open it bigger. So
No,
what I do...
wait, let me open it.
No. You're going to open it there. So what it is, you have that hole, and you're going to pour it out, that hole.
Oh, I don't need to open it?
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
I'm just letting go of it.
Okay, let it go. Light the light here if you wanted to put it in the first line.
Yep.
Not very many. Is that the first line? No, that's not good.
That's not good.
That's about it?
Yep.
How much does that make?
Makes a fair amount. Okay. All right, so you're done?
Yeah.
All right. And then sometimes I throw in the ones from the previous batch also in there because they will also pop too. Okay.
Some already popped.
Yeah, but these are the ones that never popped last time, but they will pop this time if you pour them in there.
No need best to put them in my hands.
Sure. You want to do that?
No, I'm just saying that it's not that I want to do it. I said to figure out which is which.
Okay.
I was trying to get rid of the white ones. And then all I could do was just dump it.
All right. Looks like that's all. All right. So let's get that in there. Oh, no, where's the top? Near the top of it? Oh, that's kind of important. Let's see if we can find the top under the computer. Okay.
Found it?
Yeah, found the top. Okay.
Nice one.
All right. Okay, so you put the top on?
Like that?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay, put the microwave.
All right. Microwave. Do I have a microwave? It's really...
Nope, sure don't.
I don't?
Nope.
And all this that is dirty inside, just does it affect
It doesn't affect it.
Does not.
No. It would be nice to get it cleaned sometime, though.
I was thinking of that.
Okay, now you go up to the middle one right here that says beverage. Just the middle one, that middle one, and press it twice.
Twice?
And then it'll start. If you either patient, it'll start on its own, or you can press the start button. Usually, if you're just patient on its own, it'll start.
So you said 3 minutes?
3.5 minutes, yep. Now, you actually need to keep listening to it, though. And it's going to go pop, 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 and then it's going to slow down. And when it starts to slow down and you only hear like one pop every 15 seconds, then you stop it. Yeah. You hear it popping? Goes down.
All the time.
And it's going to go a whole bunch of them in a second.
I'm just saying that one is not supposed to be right in front of it.
That's all right. You don't have to be. You can walk off and do other stuff. I usually do other stuff for a couple minutes.
No, I understand you literally the
Microwave.
Microwave place can get to you.
Okay, well, you'll stand on the other part of the kitchen if you want.
Still watching. 1:35. So, did you wait until it goes off, or?
You can, although I prefer to do the listening because listening is a better bet of what it's.
Yeah. Okay, you can tell right now they're really pop.
Yeah.
Now goes also see a little bit of smoke. Or is it just on the
I don't see any smoke.
How many minutes did you give it,
3.5. But that's only because
wait, how much?
3.5.
3.5 is 350.
That's 3:30.
3:30. I thought
It did say 3.
It takes 60 for a minute.
Yes. Half a minute would be 30. All right. Do you hear how this popping slowed down?
Yes.
So I get ready to stop it now. About there. Now you can let it go all the way, and it gets the last few, but I find it better to stop it now, and it'll have maybe an occasional pop that still pops, but it's safer because that extra 10 seconds past those can burn popcorn.
Okay.
Now it only had 10 more seconds, which would probably have been fine, but
No, but that's a good idea.
oops. Whoa.
That's an excellent idea.
And I suggest you don't take it out right away, that you usually leave it in there for a few seconds just to cool it down, and to sometimes some extra ones. Yeah, and some extra ones pop.
They pop.
Yeah. So there you go. There aren't even burned? No. Well, a couple more starting to, but.
Huh?